Hey, how's it going, guys? It is the Hoff, and today I'm going to be showcasing what my future build is going to look like. There'll be some tweaks from what my PC parts picker is that you will see right there, going over to the, I should say, the left side of the screen there, but I'll explain stuff as it goes. And I will tell you this build is going to be over time. I'm the type of person that doesn't like a lot of downtime with my computer. I want to be able to play it, game, release some stress, and I game every night on Call of Duty. So if you want to head over to my channel, every evening when I'm done with work, I get on and I game. I don't do any gaming during work. I might do it during lunch hours sometimes, but that's just to do a couple challenges here or there. But I'm gaming every night, playing Call of Duty. You can come in, chat, and I have a giveaway that I'm going to do for the first person that hits 100,000 loyalty points. The way you get loyalty points is you come into my stream. If you subscribe, you get loyalty points. If you chat and are interactive, you get loyalty points. If you're just viewing me, you get loyalty points. You get loyalty points for super chat and donations. And the first person to 100,000 will get either a Razer Viper Ultimate, which is the exact mouse I'm using. It's a great, fantastic mouse. One of the top of the line best out there. Or if you are not a PC person, then I can substitute, instead of the mouse, a controller. That would be the Elite controller for Xbox. Or if you want a Razer Wolverine Ultimate, which is really nice. Or an equivalent for PlayStation. I know they have SCUF controllers, and they have the Razer, was it Raijin? So any one of those. But let's get into the build and some topics of it. So as you see here, this is going to be the main thing of the build. This is set to release, pre-order, really good price, $3.99, and you get a full monoblock for it. So it's basically the Carbon Carbon EKX, and it's RGB, which I don't really care. I mean, RGB is nice and I'm gonna use it, but this is going to be my main gaming rig right here, and I'm gonna work doing this stuff over time. So this is going to be the focal point of what I'm doing, along with a new graphics card. And I'm going to be putting it into the Lian Li case. So you see enclosed what you get, the leak tester, which that's really nice. And there is the specs down there. And then here is the basic components. So swap out this, so add a little bit more to that pricing, but I just kind of want to get a general pricing. That's obviously going to be higher. That's going to be the processor, and it says right now it is available on Best Buy at that price. I wanted 32 gigs of RAM right there, so there you go. RGB, because why not? A decent power supply, fully modular, because I mean it's 2020. Who doesn't do full modular? And then I really like these fans. They're what are in my current case, so that's gonna go there. I will be getting some optical drives, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the not optical drive, I'm going to take the SSDs, I should say, the M.2 drives, out of my current PC, and it's going to go in there. Then I'm going to use one of the older SSDs, and what I have as a current PC is going to go onto the hardwood floor and become my streamer PC. And then I'm gonna take this build and make it my gaming PC. Eventually, I will take the case of the Lian Li. So let's add in the case here, because I don't see it up here. So where is the Lian Li case? I thought I added it, but I may not have. And I don't want the white, where it is. And so I really like this case, and I mean, the front is beautiful, but then if you look at it from here, the back easy cable management, storage of a couple SSDs, and then here you have some grommet areas. But I mean, this just looks really nice. You can fit some radiators there, and you can fit a monoblock, or a distro block, I should say, right there. You fit one here, but I'd rather distro block there, and then have, okay, not want to work with me. Have up top and on the bottom 360 radiators. So that's going to be it right there. And then the intent is going to be taking and buying another case like this and similar components and have two builds. And one's going to be my 9900K build with a 1080. Maybe I'll up the graphics card to a 2080 at some point for the better video, but I don't think I'll need to. And I will be streaming with that and be able to do more of the stream. And as we grow, I'm going to be doing more of the giveaways for you guys. So the first giveaway is to make you earn it, but for free. So you don't have to donate. You don't have to super chat, but interacting, coming in the stream. A few ads will play when you come in, and maybe some ads will play during the stream, but it's all to help me, because if I was to say, let me drop this video and get some money for me to build this computer, it's going to take roughly, if you watch this entire video, 800,000 views on this video with ads populating for me stating that I made enough money to build this PC. So 800,000 views if you like the video, watch the video, and it has that good view time with the click per CPM rate. So I don't think that's going to happen. I mean, not at my current rate. Will I get people donating me the parts to do this build? No, I'm a small streamer, small builder, and my previous build just needs work. So this is my way of doing it over time and still having my main PC to game on. And I'm currently waiting, and as you see on this build, there is no graphics card. So I could go in here and choose whatever, but my intentions are to wait on the new 3000 series. Whatever that top 3000 series is, that is what I want to get. So it's going to be what the rumor leaks are of the 3090 series. So 3090 is more than likely going to be called 3090 RTX. And I'm probably going to go with the EVGA of whatever they call the card with the water block already on it, just to make it a little bit easier. Because by the time it comes out, I may or may not have some of the parts already, or I could have the build complete. It all depends on if I get anything to help from this, or you guys coming in to chat with me, subscribing, the giveaway, all that stuff really helps me, and it grows the channel so I can help you guys in getting more giveaways. And what I will show you is I'm going to bring up my Streamlabs right now and show you guys how this tracking system will work. So let me let it load up. And as you see here, this is what it generally is going to look like with a game, whatever game on that I'm playing, which is generally Call of Duty. It's going to tell you who the last person subscribed was. Let's go ahead and full screen this out. Yes, it's been a while. Subscribers are not plentiful at times. Right there it shows my name, and then it scrolls how many subs I currently have. I believe that goes up by 10. If I lose some subscribers, it goes down to 2,280. That's not always accurate to the exact subscriber count. Your name will be here as you subscribe. Stuff alerts happen here. But here's what you came to find out. The loyalty program and how the loyalty program actually works. There's a tab here for loyalty. This is where I can track. I could search users. I could do a whole bunch of other stuff. Now, none of this is going to happen. This is just me going in here and being able to search. I can search by points. So right now I am the top person only because I wanted to test some stuff out. So there are a store where you can spend your loyalty. And that is probably going to go up to 100. But I don't believe you should do it. But if you want to do it, you can see what it does. But the settings, how you can earn. So you're going to do exclamation points, and it will tell you how many points you currently have. Every 5 minutes, you get 1 point for just being a live user. So watching the stream gives you 1 point every 5 minutes. Active users, so that's chatting. That's being active. Doing stuff in the chat gets you 2 points. Because then that means you are doing stuff. But then you also get another point. So you get 3 points just for being in the chat, chatting, and for being in the chat. 3 points right there. If you subscribe, you're going to get 2 points. So right there, even payout. I don't know why it says that, but 2 points. Members, not an option right now, but I will, when I can add members and figure out stuff for members, then it would be 10, but right now, members is not on. So if you donate, you get 10 points. Well, let's up this. How about it? We'll make it 20. 20 for donation and 20 for super chat. 20 for donation, 20 for super chat. And it's the first to 100,000 points. I will be able to track on the user settings. So let me save these settings. And then I can, right here, all these people with him being on the top. Who's going to beat these two right here? It's going to be the first to 100,000 points for this giveaway. It's going to be a fun time. Every night we're in, regardless whether I play good, bad, or the other, it's a fun time. Sometimes people in the regiment get pissed. Sometimes we just have a fantastic night using soundboards, voices, all kinds of good stuff. So let's get it. And you see what I'm trying to do with the build. And this looks like what's going to be an amazing motherboard. And I would love to showcase off a nice, clean build that I can do and give myself the time to actually do it and not go in it quickly just to get it done. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are subscribing, continue watching, support me, and I'll support you guys with some awesome giveaways and start getting companies involved so we can do more with this channel. And I'll see you guys next time.